Well, your gynecologist is actually here in the audience along with Dr. Melanie Landay, reproductive specialist. First, please welcome Dr. Gilbert-Lenz. There she is. And Dr. Landay. So, Dr. Gilbert-Lenz, first tell us, what is the difference between freezing an embryo and freezing an egg?
You know, there's a very important difference to understand, Drew. When you're freezing an egg, you're just retrieving the actual egg, the cell in the woman's body that's going to help combine with the sperm and make the baby. When you're freezing embryos, you're taking both. You're taking the woman and the man's components, you're putting them together, and now you have what could become a baby. And there's a difference in fertility rates after the two also, so it's very important to emphasize that.
Which is more likely to?
The embryo is definitely more likely to result in a live birth. Egg freezing is newer, it's more experimental. It was originally designed for women going through cancer treatment, but it's a great resource for people who can make it available to themselves to increase fertility later in life.
What age should a woman begin thinking about this?
So that's a great question, and Maria is exactly in the right age group. Our fertility really declines at 35. And this is statistically speaking, you know, looking at large population studies. But at 35, we start to become much less fertile. So optimally, you want to be doing this ahead of time, before 35.
Yeah, and someone maybe at 35 who hasn't found their partner yet may want to consider this so that they have something.
The options.
Yeah.
Right, because you have to have a partner or a donor in order to make the embryo.